Hello, in this video we'll be looking at the value driver tree of Horizon Software. Start by logging into our system. The value driver tree transaction is located in value network module. Let's open the transaction. As you can see, this is a tree-like view of the value driver network. We have nodes with child nodes, which can be expanded or collapsed. There are several ways to navigate through the tree. From this section located here on the bottom left corner, you can see right away that our tree is 11 levels deep. There are buttons for collapsing all nodes as well as expanding all of them. We can also change the visibility level of the nodes. So as I decrease the level of the nodes, you can see that the nodes are collapsing. We can use the drag and drop slider as well. So let's expand all of the nodes again to see that there's another feature to fit the tree, which will display the whole tree in the screen. We can reset the tree to change the zoom level back to 100%, and we can use the mouse scroll to change the zoom level as well. Let's look at one particular node. Let's look at noise, which is a child node of emissions risk, which means level of noise. The value of noise node will impact the value of emissions risk, which in turn will determine the value of care for environment. When you hover over a particular node, you'll be able to open this context menu, which contains functionalities such as edit node, add child, delete node, and view value driver dashboard. If we open edit node, it will open a form on the right hand of the screen. The form is split into two sections. We have the basic sections where we can simply change the name of the node, as well as the advanced section, which contains the values and attributes for that particular node. Our nodes have four different types: calculation, fixed value, base table, and distribution. So this determines how the value node is calculated when we're running a scenario, whether there's a calculation formula string, whether it's a fixed value in all scenarios, whether it gets its value from a base table, or whether it's a random number distribution. We have settings for selecting whether this node is a KPI or not. We can set maximum display value, metric increments, priority, the baseline value, plan, stretch plan, and actual values. We have metrics and units of measurement. We have the source system tag, the organization owner ID, the description of the node. We can determine whether this is a risk category. We have the fiscal year variances, monthly variances in percentages, and also we can set the object permissions. So this was the first video on value driver tree. In the next video, we'll show you more advanced features, including the scenario. Thank you.